Hey world, the greatest people of all. The valley here at Waikolo Village. But who's the fastest chef?
Man in the Pan!
Big Saka! Hey, guess what, world? Newlywed couple here at KTA, but who's the fastest chef?
The Man in the Pan!
Big Saka! Hey, guess what, man? I found the lady with the pan over here, right? Huh? So who's the fastest chef?
Fastest?
You're the fastest chef. Lady with the pan. Big shaka, the lady with the pan. Awesome. Hey, guess what? The greatest lady of all, but who's the fastest chef?
And who has executive hair?
Right. Billy, you're the
Thank
best.
you, Derek.
Big shaka,
Man
big
in the
shaka.
Pan. Mana up. Woo!
Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Today I'm going to do something really special in a frying pan because the Man in the Pan has a wok and also a frying pan. I made an easy mochi pancake. It's so simple and easy. Comes in this box. First, I removed the bag and I mixed 1 cup of pancake batter into 1/3 cup of water. And I mixed it all up, just like this, see? You know, the pan is so good, you really don't have to do it. But I just put a little oil in it and kind of grease it up. This 1 cup makes about 2 huge pancakes. So, here you go. Pour in the pancake mix inside. It's kind of neat so that, you know, you gotta wait till the thing kind of starts to bubble. And when it's bubble, it's kind of ready to turn it over. Man, it's gonna be so good. The stove. And there you go. Look at this pancake. It's incredible. Looks really, really good. It looks good, but let's see how it tastes. Now I got the azuki, which I squeezed it out from the, it's a koshi-an right here. And I also have some kaniko. Mix it up with the sugar right over here, okay? So I got the kaniko with sugar, and I got the ang right over here. With this pancake, you can do anything. You can actually use just regular with butter and syrup. You can be very innovative. Like my wife loves condensed cream and strawberry, so I made her a pancake with condensed cream and strawberry. You can have banana and peanut butter, cream cheese and blueberry, or just ordinary butter and syrup. So let me show you how to do it. First, I got the pancake. Spread on some koshi-an. Like this, okay? And I fold it right in half. Just like this. Look at that. Huh? This other one, put on some kaniko. Fold it in half. Okay, there you go. It's incredible. I got the kaniko pancake here with kaniko on it, and I have the koshi-an pancake, and you can actually do a koshi-an with the kaniko on it. You know, it's really good. Here we go. Koshi-an pancake. Oh. Look at this. The pancake really has a mochi texture inside. Oh, so good. And here you go, the kaniko pancake. Until next time, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. And don't forget, get your fluffy, chewy mochi pancake and waffle mix. We'll see you next time. Aloha.